year beginning with mental health. Between 2017 and 2020, 432 people died by suicide in Richland County, more than 400 in Lexington County. Efforts are now underway to reduce those numbers directly in the communities where they're happening. News 19's Zoe Henry has the details.
On any given day, South Carolina's 988 Suicide and Crisis Line call center answers dozens of calls. On the other end of the line, a person in need.
And it is so important to have those calls answered in our state.
Jessica Barnes is with the Department of Mental Health and a part of the South Carolina Suicide Prevention Coalition. The group works to reduce the stigma surrounding mental health and increase awareness of preventable deaths. According to the coalition, a large blind spot in mental health care is relatability.
We know our people, and it feels more personable when you talk to somebody and they're like, yes, I'm here, I'm with you, I'm also in South Carolina.
During a recent meeting with other mental health professionals, Barnes and her colleagues agreed that relatability is a problem. Lived experiences might be the solution. Tracy Rowell is the program director with SC Mobile Crisis, another mental health crisis center in South Carolina.
Research with SAMHSA has shown that incorporating peers onto these teams increase engagement for individuals who are in crisis.
A $3 million grant is aimed at helping expand mental health assistance to rural counties in the state with high suicide rates using technology.
So the idea was that if we could incorporate telehealth, we could increase access to our services and also speed up response time.
The grant, from a group called Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services, will also go to training and hiring peer support staff with lived experiences to fill in staffing gaps. In Columbia, Zoe Henry, News 19, WLTX.
And an organization called Uplift of Lexington County will be hosting mental health pop-up events through the summer. Those events are meant to create a safe space for anyone in the community to talk about struggles perhaps that they're going through. The goal is to reduce stress and provide personalized, confidential, and impactful mental health conversations. The next event is scheduled for July 8th at the Food Lion in Gaston. And here's a look now at some other mental health resources here in the Midlands. The National Alliance on Mental Illness has branches offering support groups in Richland, Lexington, and Orangeburg counties. If you or a loved one needs immediate help, the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline is available 24 hours a day. Just dial 988 on your phone for help.